guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Widad, and today I will be sharing with you how to make chicken fajita my way. So let's go to the ingredients and then we'll go to the step-by-step on how to cook it and make it. But before we dive into the recipe and ingredients, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. So for the ingredients, I will be using around 3 pounds of chicken, 4 medium-sized onions, 4 bell peppers, 3 tomatoes. 2 are green, 1 is red. If you don't have green, you can use just red tomatoes. And then I have some olive oil in here, and for the spices I'll be using salt, black pepper, turmeric, some mixed Mexican spices, and some oregano. To start, we'll cut the onions into thin strips. Remove the seeds from the bell peppers and slice them thinly as well. Bell peppers usually can be green, but you can also use red or yellow. For the tomatoes, you can just slice them into small pieces or blend them in a blender. We'll do the same for the chicken. It should be thinly sliced as long strips. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 1 cup of olive oil. Once it's hot, add the sliced onions and wait until they change color. Next, add the bell peppers. Saute for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender. Now add the chicken, the tomatoes, and the spices. Cook for about 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked thoroughly. The spices will make it incredibly flavorful. Time to assemble our chicken fajitas. So take one of the flour tortillas, then scoop a generous portion of the chicken and vegetables mixture onto each tortilla. Repeat the process until all the chicken and the tortillas are done. You can eat it as is, or you can do it my way. You're gonna place your skillet on the stove and heat it over medium to high heat. You want it to be hot enough to toast the tortillas, but not so hot that they burn. Once the skillet is hot, place your tortilla in it. You can cook one at a time or multiple tortillas, depending of course on the size of your skillet. Cook each side for about 30 to 60 seconds or until they start to get slightly crispy and develop grill marks. Our fajitas are done and ready to be served. You can top them with sour cream, salsa, guacamole, or serve them as is. This is the end of our recipe for today. Whether you're making these for a family dinner or a fun Mexican themed get-together, these fajitas are sure to be a hit. Give them a try and let me know how they turned out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more tasty recipes like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!